key light doesn't work. Works. Doesn't work. Works. I have another switch. Throw it in, see if that works. Otherwise, tear it apart. See if I can. Okay, so we got the switch working. This old switch. We could tear it apart real quick and see if we could see a broken solder or something. You can see on the first one, halfway up, there's like a ridge around it. And the second one, how it's a nice even flow. It's a little ridge. I think that's cracked solder. Okay, I'm definitely not a soldering or electrical expert. I do normally solder in my office under a nice bright light. Probably a waste of 10 minutes of my life, but so I like to heat up the old solder, and I like to come back through and heat it up and give it a drop of new solder. Anyway, give it a whirl. Whoa. What's going on in here? Oh. Try that again, in case you couldn't see anything.